Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen CR35 Crafter in the long wheelbase. This vehicle comes in the metallic paint colour Reflex Silver and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 140 PS. This is accompanied with a 6-speed manual transmission for a more engaging drive. Join me now as we explore some of the exterior features of this van. Across the front of the vehicle is a black bumper, complete with front parking sensors which display a parking distance control within the cab. The van sits on 16-inch steel wheels with the 20-hole design and comes with a full-size steel spare. Dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors working with the front ones, again providing a parking distance control. To the rear of the vehicle, this Crafter comes with the 270-degree hinge barn doors, allowing for more options when loading and unloading this vehicle. In the back of the load area comes a freshly ply-lined load area, complete with multiple lashing points. Taking a look from the inside now as well, the van comes with the high roof, so standing up in the rear of the van is no problem. There is also a full steel black bulkhead, providing an insulating layer from the load area and the cab. Up front in the driver's cab there is a 2-seater passenger bench. Just above there is some overhead storage with 2 1-din slots. The driver's chair also comes with an armrest for a more comfier layout. There is plenty of leg space for the front passengers, as well as some excellent creature comforts such as a 12-volt and 2 USB-C charging points. The van also comes fitted with a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system complete with App Connect, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.